Alright, well, got some time to kill. I'm at this little Oasis trail. Oh, there's a quail right there. Oh, look at that. Visitor center type thing. Although it's partially closed and partially relocated to a different location. More on that later. Just thought I'd take a little walk around this place here. See a bunch of quails. At least I think they're quails. Some other birds. This is just a little ways. Oh no, this is pretty close to downtown here. It's like a little walking path kind of thing. There's some information. Mariam stories tell of two brothers who created the world and its inhabitants. One brother remained on earth, the other went underground to create a new world. The old world now rests on his shoulders. It is said we feel the earth quake when he moves beneath us. The mountains, valley, and oasis result from the interaction of Earth's plates. The Pinto Mountain fault directly under your feet creates this flourishing oasis. Nice. There's the oasis right there. We're gonna see this dang oasis. I'm pretty sure there's a whole bunch of little oasis places in the park itself. I aim to explore every one of them while I live out here and become a desert dwelling being. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, look. A place for all people. The Mara Yam marked the oasis as their place of origin, where they lived until early 1900s. When newcomers arrived in Las Vegas in the 1800s, the Nuwu moved to the oasis, where the Mariam welcomed them. The Kawiya and Aha Makav visited for trade and gathering while traveling to and from the West Coast and other areas. Mara, Yam, and Kawiya share similar customs and often intermarried. A place for all people. I like that. Very nice. Here we are at this like oasis. Oh, that way is closed for repairs, I believe. And there's a little bench. Do I hear bubbling water? Not sure. These are ancestor palms. Oh, interesting. Mariam history tells of people living in the San Bernardino Mountains west of here, where native women had difficulty producing baby boys. A medicine man told them to go out into the desert to the first place they found water. There they would find a good place to live, and many baby boys would be born. Each time a baby boy was born, the medicine man instructed the father to plant a palm tree. The first year in their new home, 29 baby boys were born. So, like, maybe that's why they call it 29 palms. Huh. No kidding. Who knew? Wow. Alright, well, we're just going to keep this video going and see if we can walk around this. More quails. Maybe I can get some videos of these quails. Seems like that's all they do. I can hear them. Oh, maybe those aren't quails. I don't know. Here comes some people. Oh, look at that big palm tree. Oh. The Oasis served as an important gathering place for home for Native Americans. Sacred palms. Alright, cool. Pretty neat.